Have you been living with pain, poor posture, or stress-related tension, or simply a sense that your body isn't fully aligned? I want to introduce you to something different, something gentle, but something powerful. It's called axis alignment technique, and it's a whole body method of realigning your posture, releasing pain, and restoring your energetic flow, all without force. Let me explain how it works. It's a gentle, non-force approach. The axis alignment technique is not chiropractic. There's not cracking, no twisting, and no popping. Instead, we use a light touch method activating specific acupuncture meridian points along your body's central axis from the base of the skull to the bottom of your spine. These points communicate with your nervous system, your muscles, your organs, and your fascia. When we gently stimulate them, the body begins to unwind sometimes years or decades of stored tension, misalignment, and blocked energy. So, what happens in a session? Each session is about 30 minutes. You'll lie comfortably, fully clothed on a client table. Using my hands, I apply a gentle pressure to very specific points, often in a rhythmic sequence, allowing the body to reorganize itself from the inside out. Clients often describe feeling a wave of calm, clarity, or even emotional release, as if the body is finally exhaling something it has been holding for a long time. The benefits you might notice after a session are things like standing taller without effort, less tension in the neck, shoulders, hips, and low back, fewer nerve-related symptoms like numbness or tingling, less pain with greater mobility, better sleep and improved digestion, and even a greater sense of emotional balance. That's because the technique doesn't just fix posture, it helps your entire system realign, restore. The power of axis alignment is built in the series of work. While one session is a wonderful introduction, the real magic unfolds through a series, typically 5 to 10 sessions over 2 to 3 weeks. This gives your body time to stabilize, integrate the shifts, and build a new, pain-free foundation for movement, energy, and well-being. The axis alignment technique is built on one simple truth. Your body's innate intelligence already knows how to heal. We just have to help to experience relief, clarity, and real alignment without force, pain, or guesswork. I invite you to begin your axis alignment journey today. Let's help your body return to calm, confident posture that it was designed for, one gentle shift at a time.